Okay, so welcome back guys again here to our video tutorial. So this tutorial is actually based on how to do while loop in Python, but this and that book is automated more stuff in Python, but as we got. So this is the website of the automated voice of it Python that I'm gonna put in the description below. Download the Python 3.6.6. So note, you can see these three links for Windows download. So that three link is for 64-bit and 32-bit operating system that runs an AMD microprocessor. But if you are using Intel and you are 32-bit or 64-bit operating system, click this choose file or no installer. So this is a file, and also this is a file. So this is for Mac installer, 32-bit. Um, so let's to know if you are 32-bit or 64-bit, or if you are a AMD or Intel micro, if you're running AMD or Intel core processor. Right click in the computer, click properties. Then after that, you're gonna see this. You can see that I'm using 64-bit operating system and Intel core operating system. Then I'm gonna click this and also download the Sublime Text. Then go into your Sublime Text, Control S, type while the pipe, then type user, input, type, no, do this, a equals 0 while a not equal to 11 parent parent a, then a equals a plus 1, then that's it. Just save it, Control S, run it again, click this while, so will not print up. So let's type in here reports input, save it again, run it again. You can see 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's gonna start to count in 10. Oh, no, into the 0. So how you put 100 or 1000 or something like that. So let's run it again. Oh, we didn't save it, so we'll save it. Then close this again. Then let's run it again. Then we're gonna go 1 to 0. Oh my god, that's so long. It counts from what? Where did it start in 701? So that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, thank you.